Hi guys, welcome back. And as promised, in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can actually pause the execution of the test so you can see what's going on. And for that, let's go back to our first test. And again, if you want to pause it, there is a function called pause, which is again binds to the browser context or the global object. So again, you type browser and the function name is pause. And now you just pass it a parameter of milliseconds, how long you want to wait. So if you type 3000 milliseconds, the test will load this URL and then it will wait for 3 seconds until it continues. So let's save it and let's try it. So npm run test. And as you can see, we have loaded the example website. Then we have wait for 3 seconds and then the test finish. Again, this is very easy. There is nothing special to that. So let's try to load one more website. And to that, let's create one more test step. So we need one more it. Now let's give it a description. For example, load WebdriverIO website. And again, we need to use browser.url. Now we need to specify the domain or the URL. In this case, it's https:/webdriver.io. And again, let's give it a pause for 3 seconds so we can see what's going on under the hood. So browser.pause. And again, let's wait for 3 seconds. So now we have two tests. First, we'll load the example and wait for 3 seconds. And the second will load the WebdriverIO website and again wait for 3 seconds. So let's run it. npm run test. So now the first test. Now as you can see, we are on the second page. And again, both of the tests are passing. And probably you can see that we are not doing any assertions or checks. We are just waiting and then continue. And for that, in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can verify the URL and title values from any website. And again, WebdriverIO provides us with expect function, which has around 30 options which you can use for your assertions. So we will start exploring them one by one during the course. So I think that's it for now and hope to see you in the next video.